all our funds so far have been profitable, and these are our accomplishments.
What has been your role in the development of venture finance industry?
I was one of the first few persons who started venture capital industry in India as about 20 years ago. This company was started on 2nd July 1990. And since then, I have been with VC industry. I founded Indian Venture Capital Association along with others. I served as a secretary for 3 years and finally as a chairman. And I lobbied very hard with the government agencies in creating proper regulations so that venture capital industry could flourish. I spent tremendous amount of money in creating awareness about venture capital. I must have given more than 1,000 lectures and presentations all over the country, and I must have written a large number of articles which created awareness. And due to this, Asian Venture Capital Association gave me an inaugural award for spreading venture capital and private equity in Asia. I have recently received an award from SME Chamber for being a catalyst to growth of SME industry in this country.
What has been the growth rate of your company in the last few years?
We started with a fund of rupees 24 crores, then we went to 1990, then in 1995 we started another second fund of about rupees 55 crores, then in year 1997 rupees 20 crore, then in 2000 we had another fund of rupees 35 crores for IT sector. Then we have fifth fund of biotechnology, which is target corpus is about rupees 50 crores. And now recently we have launched an SME technology fund of rupees 500 crores, out of which we have already raised about 100 crores. To be precise, rupees 90 crores. And we have already made 2 investments of 11 crores each in 2 companies based in Gujarat. Both, one is E-Infochips and one is Sajaran Laser. We are ready to make third investment of 11 crores.